Hey guys, Matt Hoots with Software. So I'll do a quick public service announcement. So at Home Depot, and again, I'm just doing a little DIY project on my house. Didn't have the drywall adhesive left over from any of the jobs. So I went to Home Depot and they don't actually have the liquid nails drywall adhesive. Now, whenever we're installing drywall, we always glue it and screw it, no matter what the project is, whether it's for bathrooms, whether it's just a DIY project at my house, or if we're doing a whole house renovation or new construction. The reason is, if you just nail it, things can move, or if you just screw it, you can have screw pops. If you glue it as well, it holds it in place and you don't have to worry about as much touch up over the years, and it just makes it more stable. Well, the mistake that I made is, since I didn't have the drywall liquid nails, I bought the heavy duty version of it. And which made sense, basically I looked at it, it said, it bonds to wood, treated wood, plywood, OSB, drywall, tile, board, and more. It's like, that, fine, whatever, I'll use this instead of using the drywall. Probably the biggest mistake that I made. The reason is because if you look at the back, it says, if you look at the VOCs, which are volatile organic compounds, most of the drywall adhesive is low VOC, it's Green Guard certified, but this one is not Green Guard certified. So when I was trying to figure out why this was making my eyes burn so much, this is basically 400 grams per liter, which is called max VOC, which is an insane amount, especially if using this indoors. Now, I believe the heavy duty is listed for indoor and outdoor. I would only use this for outdoor projects. But in this case, instead of using max VOC, I'm recommending not use that. What we did, and I tried this in another part of my house, we are going to use the subfloor deck. And again, I know this isn't designed for drywall. However, this one is Green Guard certified, has less VOCs. I believe it's 50 grams per liter. We tried this out in another area. My eyes weren't watering, the whole house didn't smell. So for indoor use, if you can't get the drywall adhesive, our recommendation is using the substitute of the subfloor and deck. Again, this is rated for indoor and outdoor because it is for deck and subfloor. Not as many VOCs, which means that your indoor quality will be intact and you don't have to worry about the smelly environment. Hopefully this helps you guys. Remember, stay away from the general purpose if you're using it indoors. Only use the general purpose heavy duty outdoors.